Hi everyone, we're going to start another kind of poem called the 5W poem. This is a really fun poem that uses the 5W words who, what, when, where, and why. That's sort of the form that it takes, but let's go ahead and read about it. A 5W poem tells a story by answering 5 questions that all begin with W. Who, what, when, where, and why. The questions themselves do not appear in the poem, and the poem doesn't rhyme. So this is important, and I'll explain what that means in a minute. So let's look at the example. The first line is who or what is the poem about? In this example, it's about a little tree frog. Line 2, what is he, she, or it doing? The little tree frog is sitting so still. Line 3, when is the action taking place? In the morning light. Line 4, where does it take place? On a branch outside my window. And the last line 5, why does it take place? Waiting for your breakfast. So the whole poem is just this part right here. We don't put these prompts in the poem. We just sort of ignore that, and this is the poem. So let me read the poem through for you. It's little tree frog sitting so still in the morning light on a branch outside my window waiting for your breakfast. Okay, so now I'm going to do a couple more examples for you. I'm going to try, it says try writing a 5W poem about an animal. And I'm going to write about a horse. Who? Big brown horse. What? Eating fresh hay, that's what the horse is doing. When? Late in the afternoon. Where? Inside the stable. And why? Hungry for his dinner. So let me go through the whole poem one more time. Big brown horse, eating fresh hay, late in the afternoon. Inside the stable, hungry for his dinner. Okay, so now I'm going to also show you how to write one of the 5W poems about a person that you know. And I picked my daughter. My daughter's name is Lizzie. So I picked her, and now here's the poem I wrote about her. Who? Lizzie. What is Lizzie doing? She's walking through the woods. When? At first light. Where? In a nature preserve. And why is she walking through the forest? She's looking for birds. My daughter is a bird watcher, so that's why I chose that. So now let me read the whole poem from start to finish. Lizzie, walking through the woods at first light in a nature preserve, looking for birds. So now it's going to ask you to write a couple of these poems. You don't have to do 3 of them, but do 2. Do one on an animal, like I did with the horse, or they showed you here with the little tree frog. And then write one of the poems about a person that you know. And again, when you rewrite the poem on your own paper, don't write this who, what, where, when, why. You don't need that. The only thing you need are the answers. So this is actually what you're going to write on the paper, the answers. This is sort of like a graphic organizer to help you with what's supposed to appear in each line. But when you rewrite it in its final form, don't include the 5 why words. Okay? So this is another little fun poem that you're going to work on. Hope you have fun with it, and we'll come on again with another kind of poem very soon. Enjoy!